Hello YouTube, it's Thor the Engine again, back at it again with some more train horn fun. So today we got the Horn Blasters Flatlaw train horn. This one I have reversed the bell on this one, so this one has a more train horn effect. This is reversed as if it would to be on a actual ran on a locomotive. And I think they do this to like create a surround sound effect, so it like makes it, I don't know, maybe it's something to do. They always reverse them on locomotives. So anyway, this is the Horn Blasters Flatlaw train horn. We're gonna wait until the neighbors are not gonna get the crap scared out of them. We got the air pump out here. We got this running at about 100 psi. Yep, full 100 psi, and we're gonna give it a good hell yeah. All right, here we go. Hold on a minute. I don't want to scare the crap out of the neighbor here. Hold on, he had to get out of his truck. All right, here we go. All right, horn in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that thing packs a punch. Man, that thing really does pack quite the punch. Another addition to my horn collection. Welcome, welcome.